Hello friends, in this we are going to practice multiplication by lattice method. First we have taken the example of 38 multiplied by 26. So we will make a grid in which we have 2 columns and 2 rows. A grid of 2 rows and 2 columns, and we are going to divide it in diagonals. Fine. So each square is being divided into 2 triangles like this. Now one number will be written on the top, the other number on the left side. Fine. Now the multiplication, as you know, each square has 2 triangles, so we are going to write in them. So 3 to the 6, 8 to the 16, 1 above and 6 below. 6 3 ja 18, 1 8, and finally 6 8 ja 48. Now the final writing of answer, we will start from this place where arrow is. So 8, now we will add the numbers in between 2 diagonals, 8, 4 and 6. This is 18. Fine. So 8 will remain here and 1 will be taken up to the next diagonals. So now 1 plus 6 plus 1, that is 8, and 1 more plus 1, 9, which was taken from the earlier step. And here only 0 is there. Now start writing the answer. It will be 0, 9, 8 and 8. Fine. So these 4 numbers we are going to write. 0, 9, 8 and 8 will be our answer. As you know, there is no value of 0 on the leftmost, so we can remove this. Fine. So this is our answer for this question. Now we will take up one more question for this. One more question will be taken up by us. This is 145 multiplied by 38. For this also we are going to make, as you know, there are 3 digits multiplied by 2 digits. So on columns we are making 3 columns and 2 rows for this. Fine. So we are going to write and same way we are going to make the diagonals like this only. We have made the diagonals. Fine. All the small square are going to be converted into 2 triangles, and 145 will be written on the top, 1, 4 and 5, and on the left side we are going to write the 38. Now we'll start multiplying. 3 1 ja 3, so 0 3, then 3 4 ja 12, 1 and 2, and 3 5 ja 15, so this is 1 and 5. Then 8 1 ja 8, 0 8, 8 4 ja 32, 3 and 2, 8 5 ja 40, 4 and 0. Fine. Now we'll start writing our answer. So starting from 0, first is 0, then the next columns we will add 2, 4 and 5. So it will be 11. So we will write down 11 here. So 1 will be written here only, and 1 on the left side will be going to the next column, next diagonals. So then we will add all the numbers between 2 diagonals, 8, 3, 2 and 1. So their addition will come out to be 15. 5 will remain here and 1 will be taken forward to the next diagonals. So we'll start adding. 3 plus 1 4 and 1 from the previous one, so it will be 5 and 0. So the answer will be, what will be the answer? 0 5 5 1 0. We are taking all the numbers which are at the ones place. All the numbers which are at the ones place, 0 5 5 1 0 will be the answer of this question. Fine. So